our dual zone gas steam cabinet for natural gas. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have 35.5 inches. The depth, 31.5 inches. Overall height, 71 inches tall. Lock handles at the bottom and top portion of the steam cabinet, and included will be shelves for each that can be adjusted to the height of your preference. On the bottom and at the top are push and pulls to release the steam within each cabinet to cook your products. So whenever not in use or whenever in use, open and close for the release of steam. Each shelf from the top and bottom portion will include 25 inches in length by 22.25 inches in depth. Located in the bottom portion of the steam cabinet will be a runoff along with the strainer for the water. Booklet and tutorial pamphlet will be included with this steam cabinet. Coming to the bottom, we have our reset tab, ignition button, and 2 gas valves. And beneath is our galvanized pipe and black pipe along with 2 valves to hook up and operate this steam cabinet. Located on the bottom left corner is ETL certification along with the technical and gas information to operate this unit. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.